Going once, going twice. Sold.
Yeah, now here we have, this is a mobile home sale. This one is being conducted through Bid for Assets. And we can see that it's Pierce County, Washington, their finance department, and this is their distraint mobile home sale. There are, let's see, it ends here on the 29th. There are 39 distraint mobile homes here starting at about $409. And so now we can go here and we can drop down and see different folders that we have here. So if we're looking at the first folder here, we can see the property, like for instance, you can see some properties that have been withdrawn, meaning that these are properties that have likely redeemed, or had the individuals pay off whatever it was owed beforehand to avoid that. But there's still lots of properties that are available.
It's not necessarily the best examples, but it's not bad. It started at $872. And we can go down and get a look at some of the basics on it.
Yeah, it's interesting. So what they do tell us here is they've got a parcel image we can click on right here, some mobile home details. We can also see how they assess the property's value, which can give us some idea about the condition of the property, but we can also see where it's located at here currently. So let's click on the parcel image here first. And here we have some images of the property.
If you click on that, views both slides. So this one's an older mobile home, probably going to need a little bit of work, but starts out at $872. Will probably sell for pretty cheap. And we can get in kind of an idea of what the current condition is, if it looks like it's currently occupied. Based on this kind of information, we may decide, hey, this mobile home isn't worth it, or it's, it looks good, let's go ahead and bid on it.